Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
First up this evening, the Jamaica Teachers Association JTA's president is rejecting claims by officials from the Ministry of Education that the JTA had not, before Tuesday, reported inappropriate behavior at school-based shelters.
The Ministries of Education and local government have challenged Mark Malaba to provide them with details.
Kimberly Petty has details in this report.
As educators, I'm declaring today that the government has gotten an F on this test.
President of the JTA, Mark Malava, in response to government ministers who've challenged the credibility of allegations of inappropriate behavior by persons living in school-based shelters in full view of students. Addressing delegates and journalists on the final day of the JTA Education Conference in Hanover, he took aim at the Education Minister, Dr. Dana Morris-Dixon's response. The minister has said that the matter was never brought to her attention, not even at the monthly meetings held with the JTA. She said she became aware of the issue when the JTA president made it public. However, Mr. Malava said the issue was raised via a phone call to Education Minister Dr. Dana Morris-Dixon.
This was around March 17 or 18. During that conversation, colleagues, I said to the Minister of Education that the reports that we are getting, if true, violates the Child Care and Protection Act. And the minister's response was, tell them to go and report it to the police. That was the minister's response.
He said he also brought the issue to the Chief Education Officer during a negotiation meeting.
So there's no truth to any suggestion that concerns were not brought to the attention of the ministry. It is wholly inaccurate, colleagues.
Mr. Malava says what is equally troubling were requests from the minister and the permanent secretary, Dr. Troop, for him to name the school and the police station where the incident was reported.
Such requests are most inappropriate, misdirected, and betray the fundamental misunderstanding of how sensitive matters of this nature must be handled. It is not the role, colleagues, of the JTA to conduct investigations. That's not our role. Nor to expose sources or institutions to scrutiny that may compromise the safety of teachers and students.
The JTA head insists that the association will not divulge confidential information to the Minister of Education, the permanent secretary, or the local government minister, as his members and principals have come under political and professional victimization in the past. He made it categorically clear that he will continue to press the government on the issue.
The JTA will not divulge confidential information to the Minister of Education, the permanent secretary, or the minister who I believe is supposed to be in charge of local affairs, and by extension, the shelterees. None of these offices is the legally designated authority to investigate matters of this nature.
Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.